Now there's two lenders that I have, one that goes after repair and one that goes off the income approach. So if you bump it up to 65, lender will lend the buyer 70%. That's enough for you to make your money, everything. How many times do buyers want you to reduce the price? A lot of times. They want you to lower. You're getting everything. You're getting what you want. So you're going to get the 45. Now, the catch to all this is, it really is to help. Well, number one, you're getting your full value, but you're helping your buyer. I'm going to show you how your buyer doesn't have to come in with no money. Your buyer still really needs to come in with that 30%, but the lender will say, okay, seller can lend you that 30%. On paper, we do the loan for 30%. So now you got 45 that you wanted, and you have a loan to your buyer for 30%. Same like these city programs. After a period, that loan gets forgiven. Same with this loan. After we close, that loan gets forgiven. We don't have to pay it. That is how you can become rich, because now nobody's ever going to ask you for a discount on your house. They're all going to want to buy from you. If it's an investor, don't they want to hear this? Yeah, this is a no-brainer thing. If it's a regular person, unless they're savvy, they might not understand it. Or maybe they've been trying to sell this house for so long. But to me, someone that has a house and it has not sold for so long, there's a reason. They probably have it overpriced, and you might not be able to come in with value.